Samsung just started rolling out its oneui 7 update, and while it's packed with new features, not everyone's thrilled about it. A lot of Galaxy S24 and S25 users are actually running into some annoying battery problems after installing the April 2025 update. The update was supposed to improve things, better animations, more advanced AI tools, tighter security. And in many ways, it did. The phones feel smoother, smarter, and more secure. But the trade-off: for some people, their battery life has taken a big hit. Take the S25 Ultra, for example. Some users are saying it's burning through battery way faster than before. One guy said his battery performance dropped by around 20% after the update, and when he asked others on social media, tons of people chimed in with similar stories. One S24 Ultra user mentioned they used to charge their phone once a day. Now they're plugging it in 2 or 3 times just to get through. Another said the update made the phone look and feel better, but it just doesn't last nearly as long on a charge. And this isn't just happening with the top-tier models. Even the Fan Edition seems to be affected, with some folks saying their phone drains like crazy now. So far, Samsung hasn't made any official statement about the issue, but they are encouraging users to report any problems through the Samsung Members app. That's probably the best way to get this on their radar if you're having the same problem. Personally, I've noticed it too. My S24 Ultra used to make it through the whole day without breaking a sweat. Now I'm hitting 25% by mid-afternoon with the same kind of usage. Definitely not what I expected from an update that was supposed to make things better. If you've run into the same thing and found any tips to help with the battery drain, let's talk about it. Maybe we can figure out some workarounds while waiting on Samsung to step in with a fix. Let me know what you think about the update and whether you've seen any battery changes. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.